Anyway guys, today we're gonna do an awesome set tutorial because it will look so cool after you're finished with it, and it will be awesome and Nyan Catty. First, you see, then you see a rainbow. So if you want to get this awesome, super sick Nyan Cat bar, then just watch this video to the end and your friends will be amazed. And also if you want other cool things for your YouTube and stuff. Anyway, so you have to be on Chrome because Chrome is like the best thing ever, obviously. And so go on Chrome Web Store. Then go on apps. No, not apps. I meant extensions. Go on extensions. Search Stylish, because that's definitely what that is. And then install it. Add it to Chrome, and it'll come up here or come up on here. So you've got it. What do you do now? Well, you go to your here, and you go to press it, and then see I've got two styles. Nyan Cat Progress Bar and a YouTube Umbra. So to get more, find more styles for this site. So press that, then you get all these cool things. So if you want a dark, really dark YouTube, get dark too. If you want an awesome Progress Nyan Cat bar, get this. If you just want a different colour, get this. There's so much cool things you can do. There's like so much clean stuff and epic lightsaber bars. There's like 100 pages, so I'm gonna go into the 100th one. Yeah, that's disgusting. It's nothing, absolutely nothing. Then click Style Install and it'll install it. Then go back to YouTube, refresh the page, and you'll get Nyan Cat. Nyan Cat, yay! Yeah! Yeah, and the black YouTube looks so much more delicious and amazing to me, anyways. And it looks awesome, and it looks really cool. So that's gonna be it today. Expect a video every single day, because this is half term, baby. Half term. Yay! Anyway, that's gonna be it for this episode, and goodbye.